Hey guys, this is Johnny at Gator Harley-Davidson. Wanted to show you one of our newest trade-ins. This is a 2004 Dyna Wide Glide, fuel injected. It's dark purple and light purple in color. It was a custom color option for 2004, so it's really pretty. It really pops in the sun. This bike also has 18-inch ape hangers on it with chrome levers, chrome switch housings, chrome switches. It's got all steel braided brake lines, clutch line, throttle cables. Got the turn signal relocation kit on the front forks. Got stage 1 air cleaner with a full Vance and Hines exhaust system on it. Those are Harley-Davidson leather saddlebags that are detachable. Of course, you got the passenger backrest with luggage rack incorporated. It did just go through our service department and detail area. So it's got all new fluids, new engine oil, primary fluid, transmission fluid, brand new front tire. This bike's got 31,750 miles on it. We got it priced at $69.95. We do take trade-ins. We're open 7 days a week, Monday through Friday 9 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, and Sunday 11 to 4. You can check out all our bikes on our website at gatorharley.com. Please call or message for any more details. Get it a Gator.